Morning, everybody. I'm not gonna say good, because my phone's been ringing off the wall since 12 o'clock this morning. Ugh, wetness. Saying, anyway, why is my phone ringing off the wall? Well, at midnight my phone was ringing off the wall. I was getting text messages saying, your cows are all out, your cows are all out. There's 30 head on the 30 plus head all out. And I can pretty much guarantee that they're not my cows, but it's 5 o'clock in the morning. It's dewy. Oh, she's wet. Like, wet. Just wipe this window down in this little guy, so a guy can kind of sort of see something. Something like that. That's better. But let's go for a drive and find out whose cows they are. I know the neighbor brought more cows out. And to be totally honest, at night, 90% of the time when I go to bed, I shut my friggin' phone off. So the phone wasn't actually ringing off the wall, but at 5 o'clock this morning when I turned it on, it was really going nuts. And there's definitely cows out. Oh yeah, the neighbor's cows are out. And they've been out for a while. Yep. There's cow shit everywhere on this road. The neighbor that doesn't like fixing fence. That they brought out recently here are ones that calved just recently. Oh fuck. They didn't even close the fucking gate. They're liking the canola over there. Okay, well, I know whose cows they are. guys go. I'm gonna have to get a hold of this guy. We'll talk to y'all later. Well, guys, how the hell you doing today? She's warm, she's muggy, and there's absolutely no wind. Anywho, what's going on? Well, this thing, we had it completely tore apart this morning, and it's all put back together. Sorry I didn't video it. We were kind of busy with taking stuff apart and everything like that, and my buddy Jeremy was here, and I didn't want to be really videoing when Jeremy was trying to work and so on and so forth. If I'd have been doing it by myself, I definitely would have videoed it. But anyway, she's all put back together. We had it running, and no leaks at this point. So we'll see what happens after it runs for a lot longer. Like, we had it running for, I don't know, 5, maybe 10 minutes, and wasn't leaking at that point. But I did take a bunch of pictures of it tore apart this way and that way, so on and so forth, and you guys will see all those pictures. So, but yeah, and there was no cows out today, but if we're not careful, those friggin' 2 hogs are gonna be out soon. So looking like I'm gonna have to build some kind of a steel frame wall of some sort and screw it against the back wall, because those sons of bitches are gonna get out here soon. But Little Blue is fixed and up and running, so we can get him the hell out of here, and then get that wall fixed on that pig pen. Anyway, that's where it's at. So I'm gonna let you guys go. Give us the old thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share the videos, and fun. Let's get her done. We'll catch you all later.